If you're tired of complicated diets but still want to shed pounds, try this easy homemade tea. This tea uses 3 power-packed ingredients: ginger, lemon, and mint. First, slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Ginger boosts metabolism and aids digestion. Next, cut half a lemon. The vitamin C helps detoxify and support fat burning. Finally, toss in some fresh mint leaves. Mint calms the stomach and improves digestion. Add everything to your teapot or cup. Pour in 1 to 2 cups of hot water, around 180 degrees, so you don't lose any nutrients. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes to infuse all those flavors. Optional. Add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness, or a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra fat-burning kick. And there you have it, a refreshing herbal tea to support your weight loss goals. Drink it in the morning or after meals. Remember, this tea works best with a healthy diet and exercise. Let us know if you've tried it and share your own weight loss tea recipes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who need a little extra help on their weight loss journey. See you next time.